dusted all up there. I cleaned all on the washer and dryer. I got all the dust and particles that were on the wall. I swept and mopped. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and set y'all up so you can see my plan for this wall. Okay, so I set you up over there just because I figured it would be a good space to see what I'm doing. Completed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go pretty. I might do maybe one more layer just to cover it up on the edges. And here I have a big picture that's gonna go here, so I might end up pulling these off. And show y'all my final room. I think it came out super cute. I wish I could get a whole view of it, but I really can't just because this room is so small. But I think it came out super cute. Just makes this room look so much better for me. It was super easy. It probably, I was gonna video me putting these containers. These are the containers that I purchased at Target for like 48 cents or something because they were on clearance. So I just kind of organized it and put it all, you know, put some of the things, my husband's boxes that he's obsessed with for his returns if he needed to return anything. All of my laundry detergent, the dryer sheets and stuff like that. And then I have our swim towels and then our dog towels up there. And then this is just kind of like random paper and colors for my kids that I just want out of the way. Something for me quick to grab for the kitchen. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and show y'all that. If you like watching videos like this, let me know. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I normally try and upload a video once a week, a DIY or beauty. If you have any suggestions on any videos that you would like to see me do, please comment down below, let me know. And like I said, this was super easy, didn't take long at all. It was just the only process of, the only thing that was long about it was having to cut all of these pieces of tape 2 inches long, but in the video I know you see that how I did it pretty fast. I thought it came out super cute.